Wala pa ring kumpirmasyon kung may arrest warrant na ang ICC laban kay Senador Bato de la Rosa. Pero sa oras na lumabas ito, isa lang daw ang dapat gawin ng dating PNP chief. Dapat sumuko si Senador Bato de la Rosa sa International Criminal Court, oras na ipaaresto siya nito. Yan ang hamon ng ICC accredited lawyer na si Attorney Gilbert Andres. Anya mismong si de la Rosa na rin ang nagsabing handa siyang harapin ng korte nang maaresto ang kaalyadong si FPRRD. Sa On Point ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, iginiit ni Andres ang naging papel ng former PNP chief sa drug war ng Administrasyong Duterte.
Any ICC investigation and prosecution should include Mr. Bato de la Rosa because he was the one who issued that crucial circular memorandum, the 16-2016, which is Oplan Double Barrel, which was the basis for all of these extrajudicial killings in the war on drugs.
Ayon din kay Andres, hindi maaaring i-apply ang bagong extradition rules ng Korte Suprema sakaling may arrest warrant kay de la Rosa.
If you look at the recently promulgated Supreme Court rules on extradition proceedings, the definition of extradition really refers to a requesting state. But we know that the ICC is not a state, it's actually an international organization.
Dapat anya, isurrender ng gobyerno ang senador.
Now, as to who is that Philippine authorities, it's reasonable to read that it's actually the executive, the president. And Philippine state practice is that it actually surrendered a suspect to the ICC in the person of Mr. Rodrigo Duterte last March 12. Therefore, we expect that if the Philippines will actually be consistent with its state practice, it will also surrender anyone, any suspect that has an ICC arrest warrant issued against him or her.
Sa ngayon, mahirap daw kumpirmahin ang pahayag ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla na pinaaresto na ng ICC si de la Rosa. Paliwanag ni Andres, hindi inaanunsyo ng korte sa publiko ang mga arrest warrant. Kung sakali anya, ang DFA raw ang unang ahensya na makakaalam nito.